Okay, so the gate is over. And at this point, all of you, I know all of you are asking everyone in the internet, be it an YouTuber, a coaching guru, and everyone, key I have scored this much. What will be my rank? In which institute? In which PSU I can get into? All of these things are fine, but let me tell you right now, you have a superpower which, if you use properly, then your life can be much easier down the 5 months. And if you don't use it, it will be a complete wastage of resource and the power you right now have. And obviously I will also tell that how was the gate paper of this year and all those things. But this is the most important thing right now. If you want to get out of it, get out of it, if you want to get most out of it, most out of your superpower right now. So in this video I will talk about this superpower and how to use this. And this video will be divided into 3 to 4 major parts based on your gate score and your aim. That is, if you want to get into any PSU, if you want to get into IITs and all. But maybe the thing is that your scenario is intersection of two parts. So I will suggest you to watch the full video, and at the end of the video I have some suggestion and some announcement for you too. So I have made this video like that the full video will be helpful for every one of you, no matter from which branch you are, no matter from which year you are. So without any delay, let me start. So the first part, you have scored well and you want to go into any PSU other than ISRO bar DRDO, because ISRO bar DRDO, although they are some government organizations, but they have their own selection criteria. Okay, so those things are different from any other PSU. So if you want to go to any PSU, so first of all, obviously based on your score, you will have a particular idea that in which PSU you can get into. And for that, honestly, you don't have to ask multiple people. You can directly go to their website, and you can also get from any other sources that what are the past history of that PSU, up to which rank they recruited last year, and all those things. But the mistake that you will do right now is that other than grooming yourself for that particular PSU, you will ask everyone that what is my chance of getting into this PSU, that PSU. So what you will do exactly, what you should do exactly right now. See, your coaching faculties are perfectly fine. They are good people. They will guide you well. But if anyone has experienced IOCL, anyone has experienced ONGC, anyone has experienced NTPC, then those guys will be the best to guide you. Not only then, what is the salary? You ask them that how is the lifestyle and how will my job and what will I be doing? Okay, so all these things you should ask from them only, who has experienced that PSU. Now you will ask that in my friend circle, in my senior in my senior circle, there is no one who can guide me, because there is no one from my friend circle who has gone into that PSU. Okay, nowadays to connect to people is very easy because you have LinkedIn. In LinkedIn, you can search NTPC and IOCL, so many known faces, maybe just immediate. And maybe they are just 1 year elder than you. So believe me, in my time also, I have also connected with people from DRDO, from ISRO, from LinkedIn. Okay, and they will be very happy to help you, honestly. So do this thing right now. Not only they will help you about this lifestyle in that PSU, but also they will help you about how to get into that PSU. They know that how the exact interview environment is, how the exact GD goes. So for those who have scored well and you are sure that you will go into any PSU, this should be your first priority, to connect to people in LinkedIn and to ask relevant questions to them. Other than that, all the other guidance from your coaching faculties, maybe they have not been into that PSU, but that is also very good. But this is a must. Second part, no matter what your score is, but you want to go in ISRO, DRDO or PARC, and this is very interesting part. So there are examples where GATE AIR 10 was not able to crack PARC, but GATE AIR 700 or maybe GATE AIR 2000, 3000, they are now the PARC scientists. And how that is possible? Because PARC and ISRO, they conduct their own examination. After that, they conduct their interview. Yes, in PARC, you can go by the GATE score also. If your GATE score is good, then you will get a call based on your GATE score. But also you have an option of examination. You can opt for both also. If you want to get more details about PARC, written examination and interview, go to this video. So now coming into PARC, ISRO, DRDO, the main thing is you have to grow your concept. And let me tell you a very harsh truth that right now, the way that the GATE examination is arranged, the GATE question patterns, it enforces us to mug up some or the other formula. So barely someone will ask that prove the bending formula, derive the bending deflection, draw this deflection curve right now, draw this curve, stress curve. What will happen if I change the area, then draw this curve. So this particular phrase, that is draw this curve. These things are very important in all these three organizations. They will make you draw graphs. But what I am trying to convey is that if you think that I am a champion in GATE, that doesn't matter, that you will be a champion in PARC, ISRO, DRDO. So you have to study like that. And this is the best time to use your superpower. And what is that? That is, you have appeared for GATE examination. That means you have prepared for it very well. You have at least the basic knowledge of mechanical engineering. You don't have to start again. But right now, if you think that the PARC notification or the ISRO notification or the DRDO notification has not come, then I will just relax a bit. I will just keep it very light. This will be the complete wastage of your resource. Please revise the basic knowledge and go in depth, okay? Study good books on the subject that you want to tell them in the interview panel. Maybe it is fluid mechanics, thermodynamics, heat transfer, or any other subject from your branch. Study very deeply from NPTEL, from any good book. And most importantly, go to their previous year questions from Quora, from YouTube. And I also have, for mechanical engineering guys, PARC previous year question solving series where I have solved the exact questions which were asked in the interview. So go visit that series. So this is the correct usage of your superpower. That right now, go lightly, that is okay. But every day, go for some concept, study deeply from NPTEL, from any good book. Then only you will be able to crack PARC, ISRO, DRDO. So I hope that this was like a warning, but that is, you know all these things, but still you will not study. The next part, you want to go to any IIT for M.Tech or in IISc. Most of you want to go to IISc, that is perfectly fine. But right now, obviously, if you want to get into IIT or IISc for M.Tech, there will be interview and the approach is exactly the same like PARC, ISRO, DRDO. That is, you have to be very strong with your fundamentals, and GATE doesn't say you that you are enough for this. Okay? GATE doesn't guarantee you that you are enough for this kind of interview, and that is why you have to brush up your fundamentals very deeply. So other than that, what is very special about this IIT thing? That is, if you want to get into a good job from IIT, that is, your goal is I will go into IIT and then I will get a good job. So my friend, right now the scenario is I have seen people from my batch So who are having very high CGPA, but they ended up not getting any job. I am not scaring you. The thing is, this is truth. Okay, that is other than CGPA, there is something else that they are looking for. And what are those things? Obviously, you have to first pass the aptitude examination. For that, you have to have a very strong aptitude. Other than that, your communication skill, that must be very strong. This is very important to have a great communication skills. And obviously, some companies like Slumberger and maybe Airbus, maybe GE, their interview can be very knowledge intensive. Okay, like Bark. So people say that Slumberger interview is one level higher than Bark. So those who have experienced or those who have seen the sample questions, you can understand that what is Bark interview, and that means you can understand that what is Slumberger interview. So in M.Tech, if you want to get into a job, this is the correct time to use your superpower properly. Again, you have the basics and that is your superpower. And right now, if you get in touch with your fundamentals, then not only you will get into that company, but also you can score very high in IIT MTech, because IIT MTech is not like that. That is, the POIQs will come and you will study just one day before the examination and you will crack the examination. No, this will not happen. If you don't have the fundamentals, there is no way that you will score more than 7 CGPA. And if you don't score more than 7 CGPA, this can also affect your company placements. You have to have at least a decent CGPA of 8. This will help you. I am not saying that having 7 CGPA doesn't guarantee any job. It can give you job, but the chances are less. So CGPA is also important. I am not saying that you have to score 9, but you have to at least score a bit of 8. Right? For that, again, fundamentals are very important, which you can get right now. You can brush up your fundamentals. Formula will not work in IIT MTech. Other than that, right now, for the job, please focus on your communication skills. Get some courses. Get some free courses from YouTube. Get some paid courses from Udemy or any other platform, and complete those courses on communication, courses on a specific skill. Right now AI is booming, so you don't have to learn AI from the fundamentals, what is all those statistics, maths, linear algebra, all those things. No, but learn how to use AI. And by using AI, I am not telling you just to learn ChatGPT, Gemini, and all other tools. Those kinds of workshops are being very famous right now, and they are also very effective, very useful. You should have learned that. You should use them to be more efficient in your daily life. But just understanding that what is a neural network and how I can implement in my work as a mechanical engineer, this is a very good skill, because everything in the neural network that you need to code is available in Python as a library, but we don't know that how to use that. So basics about the AI, very basics about the AI and how to apply that in our daily life, in our domain, that is very important, and that is something that right now companies do want. So I have already covered many things, and the last thing that is remaining, that your rank is not good. Now you want for a year drop. Okay, that is perfectly fine. So again, this is, I think, the stage, or this is the part, or this is the division in which your superpower will help you the most. So because you have prepared for GATE at least for 1 year, then you don't have to put that much effort again and again to study the same concept. So right now, from this day on, you can start for a test series. And believe me, test series are the most important tool for the GATE examination. So right now, you can, based on your previous knowledge, you are ahead of those who are starting right now. So use this thing. This is your superpower. Don't be in that zone. अरे अभी तो बस गेट हुआ है, just now I have completed with the examination, so then I will start from 2-3 months later. 2-3 months later, then you have to start again from the scratch. And then this is the complete wastage of your superpower. So be in touch, be light. I mean, study at least for 1 hour per day. Every 3 days, give one mock test. That is perfectly fine. But do that. This is very important. And if you are, my friend, if you are consistent, then for sure you will crack GATE next year with a very good rank. For sure. I have guided so many juniors like this. That is, do lightly, study lightly, but study consistently. And these people who have not cracked GATE with a very good rank, but who have prepared GATE for 1 year previously, I have seen so many people who were consistent. They cracked GATE the next year with a very good rank. So I think that you got your superpower. Your superpower is very simple. That is nothing like a rocket science. That is, you have prepared the basics. You know the basics of your subject. You have to just be in touch with your subject in these few months, maybe next 1 year. This will help you in everything. If you want to go into a PSU, if you want to go to IISRO, DRDO, IIT MTech, getting a good CGPA and getting a good job, and all these things, this will help you. So I think this video is enough for you right now to guide you in the right path. And if you think that this guy is trying to do something for you, then please do subscribe and all those things, blah, 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 which you know that will give me motivation for making such videos. Oh, the last announcement, sorry. The ISRO shortlist has been announced, and right now the main part is that how to go for the interview. I will bring soon, maybe in the next week only, a video on the ISRO interview. But please comment down that if you want me to conduct those ISRO interview sessions or not, those mock interview sessions, because I cracked ISRO with AIR 44. So my friend, please comment down, because only if I am getting good number of comments, then only I will start this series, otherwise not. So until the next video, goodbye, take care, and thank you.